So guys, welcome to the series of Kucoin Announcements. अगला जो update है that is regarding the listing campaign of the token that is IRL. इसका जो name है that is Rebase GG and इसका जो ticker है that is IRL. It is available on various platforms such as Bybit, Kucoin and MEXC to trade upon and इसका rank है 2824 currently and इसका जो market cap है that is equal to $1.14 million. ठीक है, so this is now available on Kucoin exchange to trade upon and you can see a price pool available on this token that is equal to $28,000. So ये उनका वेबसाइट है that is rebase.dj.home and you can check out the details of this website as well. उसके अलावा we have multiple activities to claim the prize pool. First activity है regarding the lucky draw trade to win a share of $15,000. Second activity है welcome to the Kucoin exchange, register to get a share of $4,000 in IRL. So basically आपको स्पॉट में ट्रेडिंग करना है IRL टोकन के अंदर, then you can have a chance to win $4 each. तीसरा जो एक्टिविटी है दैट इज रिगार्डिंग द एफिलिएट स्पेशल इवेंट, शेयर अ प्राइस पूल ऑफ $3,000 इन IRL एंड अर्न स्पेशल रिवॉर्ड्स फॉर द न्यू यूजर्स. तो जितने आप इनवाइट करवाएंगे लोगों को उतना आपको रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा एंड मैक्सिमम रिवॉर्ड इज $500 इन IRL. आपको इसकी कंडीशन फुलफिल करनी होगी. दैट मीन्स ट्रेडिंग इन्वाइटीज आपके रहेंगे दैट इज मोर देन 60. अगर आप ये कंडीशन फुलफिल करते हो तो आपको रिवॉर्ड मिलेगा $500 का. Next activity है regarding the run an IRL trading bot and you can have a chance to win $4,000. So that is the update and you can see all the activities available on the official announcement page of Kucoin Exchange, and that was the update and I will provide the official links of this article in the description box.